Hi everybody, it's Tina. So a few months ago, Steffi G told me about the Sharpie markers, creative markers, and it took me a while to get them, and then I finally bought them. I found them at Walmart because every time I went to buy them on Amazon, it seemed like they were out. So I showed Scott them, and he would see me look for them every time I went to the store. And one time he went to the store and they had them, so he picked them up for me. So them are the colors of the first bunch. I have them in my little 4-leaf clover bucket. But Steffi told me this week that they came out with the earth tones. See? Earth tones. And you got 12 of them, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of them. Yep. Oh, duh, it's right down in the bottom. So let's open them up and check out the colors. And how I'm going to do this is I'm going to do a comparison of the old to the I don't remember what they had them titled. I think natural. I can get in the package here. There we go. We're going to kind of do the comparison of the same color I pull to see if they're different. Because sometimes they say they are and they're not. So we have like a, let me get it out. Oh, for love. There we go. We have a mint green. So let's see. We'll just do, I have 2 greens in here to me. So let's do this one. This is the old. Okay. Bring you guys down a little bit. There we go. Okay. This is the new. I like that you don't have to prep them. So that's a new color. It's a nice color. Minty. We have another like minty green. Or, oh, it's like a lime green, I should say. And I'm not comparing that one because I don't have one. We have a like yellow. And this is the new old yellow. Brighter. The old is brighter. We have like an orange. And then this is the old orange. So they are lighter so far. Then we have like another orangish. It's kind of a red tone, so let's grab the red. We have a brown. Oh, I like the brown. Oh, that's not even a, that's my Posca. Oops. And then we have like a pink. And we have a pink here, which looks to me like more of a purple, but the cap looks, yeah, I guess it's purple. So here's a purple. Here's another purple. And here's the purple of the old, darker. Now we're going into the blues. This is the blue. Looks like blue jeans. And we have a teal. And another turquoise. So here's the blues I have here of the old. Much darker. Here's like a teal. It's probably a good green one. Yeah, so, and I think I did this one, but I will do it again. Oh, no, I didn't do that one. So, and then we have a yellow. Oh, I might have did that one already. And then we have like a gray of the old. And then, of course, a white, which is hard to see. Shows up nicely on black paper, by the way. So we did all the old and we did the new. So these are all the olds colors and then they're new. And none of them are the same. I'm so happy. Because sometimes you get them and you think you're getting a new color. And it's not a new color. Oh, come on, I know I can get you in there. Ooh. Well, that's how they are going to have to be. I might have to find me something bigger. Okay. There we go, I got them in there. So, thanks, Steph, for telling me about them. They are the Sharpie Creative Markers. This is Earth Tones. And I'll tell you, hang on, I'll look the other ones up real quick. Oh, excuse me. Markers. Okay. Let's see. Are these the what tones? Nope. They are just called pops. Yeah. Right here in this area, it says pops. So that's their first bunch called pops. The first ones are $17.99. And up in the corner you'll see Earth Tones. This is Amazon's prices, $19.97. So, ooh, what's this bunch? Sharpie Creative Marker Variety Water-Based Acrylic Marker, Assorted Tips and Colors, 24 to count. Oh, look at that. So there you got 24 pack. It's probably all these. For $40, $38.99. So that back up again. I want to see that. Okay, where is that? Right there. They look different. Paper, metallic wood, ceramic, glass, rock, and canvas. No bleed through paper. They basically look like the same colors I already have. So you get 24. Basically, it looks like it's these just sit all together in one. But the tips are a little different on that side. These are, I think, bullet tips. I like bullet tips, and some of these don't look like bullet tips. But if you bring in the picture, you got some on the top here that are like these, and then you got some like that. So, I don't know. But you can go look. I mean, $38.99. So, if they're the same, you're better off buying them individually. Well, not technically, because you got 20 and 17. So, let's see. 20 plus 17. Yeah, you save $1 if you buy them individually. But that is the new Sharpie Creative Markers Earth Tones. I hope this helped you out. So go over and put and the name of them. I will link it also for you guys. Them so you can guys go check them out. And I do not get paid from Amazon. It'd be nice. I will link the order. Or the Sharpie Creative Markers on Amazon. Maybe they're cheaper somewhere else. I don't know about them at Walmart. I just ordered them because they had that 20% off. Originally, we were $24.99. Alrighty, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. And I bought these. They were not sponsored.